Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the JBL Charge 3 over here to the iPhone 8. Alright, and this works the same for iPhone 7 as well. So if you came across this video, this would be the same. So to pair your JBL, the first things you want to do on your iPhone 8 is go to where it says Settings. And you're doing it because it's your first time pairing it. So you're going to go to Settings, go to Bluetooth, and under Bluetooth you are going to power it on. As you power it on, it is going to search for nearby devices. While it's doing that, go ahead and power on your JBL Charge 3. So press this one time. Alright, you're going to hear that sound. Now, sometimes it goes into pairing mode automatically. If not, go ahead and press the Bluetooth icon button over here. Press it one time. And when you get to that part, that means it's now in pairing mode. And because it's in pairing mode, it is going to show up on your iPhone 8. So just go ahead and select it one time. It will pair for you. You'll hear that tone sound and it'll say that it's connected. And that's basically it for the video. Thanks. Like, share, sub. You know what to do. See ya.